Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix controls not registering in Meccha Chameleon. So if a keyboard, mouse or controller inputs are not working properly, just follow along. First, check if your device is connected correctly. If you're using a controller, disconnect it and reconnect it again. Next, open the game settings and check your control bindings. Make sure your buttons are assigned correctly and have not been changed accidentally. After that, restart the game to refresh the controls. Sometimes temporary bugs can prevent inputs from registering. You should also close other programs that may be interfering with the keyboard, mouse, or controller. And if you're using Steam, check the controller settings and make sure the correct controller support option is enabled. So that was how to fix controls not registering in Meccha Chameleon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.